Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express the following angles which is given in radians in degrees. So, the question now, if I know what is 1 radian, which is 180 over pi, then I will be able to know what is 5 pi over 6 radian, or 3.8 radian, or 6 radian, or 7 pi over 4 radian, 0.4 radian, or 4.7 radian. Right? If 1 radian is 180 over pi, this means, what is 5 pi over 6? What do I do? Yes, I multiply or times both sides by 5 pi over 6. And that is what you will see in this working. I multiply by 5 pi over 6, and that will give me 150 degrees for part A. So that is the answer for part A. For part B, then I will have to multiply by, yes, wonderful, 3.8. And if the answer is not exact, then do leave your answer to 1 decimal place, sorry. So if it is 6 radian, I just need to multiply by, yes, 6. To give me 343.8 degrees. If it is 7 pi over 4 radian, yes. Well done, you are catching it. I just need to multiply by 7 pi over 4, and this is an exact value, 315 degrees. If it is 0.4 radian, then I just need to multiply by 0.4. Leave my answer in 1 decimal place. And if it is 4.7 radian, I just need to multiply by 4.7. Leave my answer to 1 dp if it is not exact. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.